My name is Mason Ware. I work for Helios Injection Systems. I'm currently the COO. We're located in Cordell, Oklahoma, and we manufacture high-pressure chemical injection pumps for the oil field. We flew down to Florida to train on our very first Swiss CNC machine so that we could start manufacturing our own parts for our chemical injection pumps. It was a great experience. Eurotech took care of us, put us up in a very nice condo, treated us to dinner every night, got to hang out with some great guys that are, small business, family oriented, great people that we definitely feel like we could come back and call any of these guys up at any time of day and get immediate help. This is our first CNC machine. We're gonna be able to machine our own parts in-house. This is gonna drastically reduce our inventory, increase our profit margins, and give us some just-in-time inventory, as well as being able to eventually work our way up into another business avenue as far as making parts for other people and not just ourselves. So just expanding our business and what we can do, really. We're a smaller company. We're about 6 or 7 years old. So this is a big step in the right direction for our company.